you come from when you wrote this song? What emotional space? And if I'm free by now, the Chonium way.
Yeah, I wrote this song a long time ago. I won't say a long time, but I check I cry.
How long ago?
I think
before the whole incident.
Yeah, it was 2 weeks before 24th January, because I think I posted about the song 24th January. Yeah, before all this whole stuff, and yeah. Cause so what was in my mind was, I'm on the streets, yeah. I make mistakes. It don't pull me down. I keep going. You understand? Just telling the story of a trying youth, things that happen to you on the streets. You understand? Things that happen to normal reality, like common stuff. You understand? That was all I was talking about. And it's art. It can make you feel different way. You see, this song came out different conversations, right? Yeah, that's it. And like with the video I saw, Mr. Logic, all I see is a man doing his work on radio, criticizing. That's his work. That's his job. I don't have no.
No, Sherif, me, I don't criticize. You see, the people the people on the panel. You need to understand the backgrounds of those who sit on the show before you call it criticism. You may also call it an opinion. But what I was saying, I just gave you my background analysis before I even said that. I'm saying that not the whole song. What did I say? I said, I said the phrase. You can't just
that phrase out of the art.
But your whole song, your song, the first sermon.
Yeah.
Which part of the song were people singing?
People were singing coming like a raging storm.
Yeah. No, I'm saying, but the catch chorus is everybody in it.
Nah, that's first sermon.
Okay, the second sermon is right.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying that after writing all the stanzas, you have only one hook for the people to sing.
Yeah.
What you say? And the hook is only one word or a bulk of words that people have to learn to sing.
And if somebody meets you and say Aku or the assembly bar, what's the first thing that comes to your head?
Oh, I mean for reasons as the content depict, me can say the assembly bar say the cover program about. And the main dreams are that. Assembly bar means say you bring in a new wave. That's what I'm saying. So
with what you was talking about, you mean so my take here feed the whole, my take that phrase I feed the whole body of art.
Yes.
And I may be so KwekuTheTraveller the assembly bar. Because then
based on your
team about KwekuTheTraveller.
No,
so this whole KwekuTheTraveller song, you took a phrase, a line in the whole body of art, right?
Yes.
Something that it's an art. It's a me. I see it 100. Who take it? Who never ever hands in the air. I don't see it 100 again because I BBF in Germany. And I can't explain that for you because I just already share art and some of my explaining be BR. You understand? That's why I'm that anything I make us start you. Want to me can start you now I could to no say now where na no say this now e would year enye that enye complete again. Put it there, let me explain it.
Okay, now let me tell you how I understand it.
Yeah.
Now we are speaking in songwriting terms. No, yeah, kasa in songwriting terms.
Yeah. In art.
No, whatever.
Yeah.
Songwriting is an art.
Okay.
So
statues and that.
Fine.
Yeah.
But different kind of art.
All right.
So now what I'm saying is that what comes into mind.
Yeah.
And I make I say based on from your intro to throughout your stanzas to that point of the song, because of the storyline you were treating on the song. What you say? But this particular song, because na assembly C, you need to understand. Because na assembly C, you say you wrote the song before even the issue even happened. It's as if you saw something coming.
Yeah.
What I say?
So like example, like I'm coming. Who never F up?
I'm coming. No. I'm not saying nobody hasn't F up before. That's what I'm saying.
So how do you feel?
Yeah, answer.
So like
he who is without sin.
Sherif.
I'm talking about someone.
I know the songwriter.
Oh, na me I say me
no one say kasa. The thing is, I want to answer him because of the question he asked me. The thing is, I want you to come from the depths of what was running through your head when you're writing that song, because every line a songwriter writes, there's a motive. Every line, even in your rhymes.
Yeah.
Like he explained in that context, he explained something.
Yeah.
He said that when you take that,
it will be complete. It will be complete.
Yes.
Yeah.
And when you take that away from
it will be complete.
Yeah.
There's no way you explain it to you for it to relate, for you to resonate with you.
That's what I want to build from the
put
beginning.
it back. put it back, keep it whole. Let him explain the full outcome for you.
So I'm
So,
building
and
from
he
the
told you
beginning.
the story earlier of a story of a trying youth who was telling their stories about how he make the mistakes, but like a rolling stone, he moves on. He learns
Do
from the
you know
mistakes and
that?
make the
Do you
most
know
out of
that if he had said or if I had heard him on any interview or because and you make sure no 5 years ago, like I won't even decode it this way.
it. But the song he said the song had been written before.
And I mean, because me tisa explanation, no.
And can't say
Like I won't even get into
So
that.
for you, you thought
decoding.
it was a response to the
I
issue.
thought it was a recent song that he has recorded. What I said, because there had been an issue we are discussing that, so an India PSC. Now, I used to be able to just listen to song with excitement. Now, yeah, we didn't take them, sir. Yet, words. Into words, now, I judge, now, make connected to the issues. Into being you say, we recorded years ago.